Hey everybody, thank you for joining me. This is my channel at Home with Jenny. I'm doing an unboxing of IPSY right now. It's Thursday. I'm ready for the weekend. Here we go. Ooh, what do we got? Let's put my glasses on. It says, make waves. Summer is more than a season. It's a state of mind. You deserve to rock that neon liner. Swipe the bright gloss and go full on bold for you. Break your beauty rut and create a splash. So we have Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Boosting Serum. Sorry. Oh, this is cool looking. Next, ouch, my cat is climbing my leg. Shoot. Here's Finn. Say hello. Finn, say hello. Meow. Go eat your food. Okay, it looks like we have a Huda Beauty, the Basic V Straight Edge Sponge Applicator. I wonder what color this one is. The one I'm using from Lime Life is lime green, and then I also have a black one. Oh, this one's black. It's always good to have spares. Oh yay, I have a primer. A luminizer from Dr. Brandt, a luminizer primer. That's exciting. I like this brand. That's a big bottle. Is it gonna focus? Probably not. This is 1 fluid ounce. That's a lot. That's really cool. I'm so excited about that. What do we have? What do we have? Oh my gosh. From Laura Geller, New York, Urban Garden, Central Park, Face, Eye, and Cheek Palette. Palettes have been my jam lately. I've been totally... I have a whole pile of them over here. Ow. I like to play with my eyeshadow right now. And so I'm... Ouch, my cat. I'm collecting eyeshadow palettes of all different brands and colors. Ow, Finn, stop! Ow. I'm only wearing leggings. Oh, sorry about that. Okay, let's see if I can get this open. He's always acts like out of control when I come in here. But he's only like 7 weeks old. Maybe 8. He's being a turkey butt. Do not jump on me again. I can't get this open. I'm just gonna have to tear the box. This is taking way too much time. This is crazy. Okay. Is it gonna come out? Right before we started filming, he got my lip with his claw and it really hurts. Okay, so we have Bethesda Terrace, Strawberry Fields. So this is like a bronzer and a blush. Cherry Hill, Belvedere Castle, Turtle Pond, and Sheep Meadow shadows. Very cool. Oops, I feel something else. Araceli, a liquid eyeliner. I have so many liquid eyeliners. I prefer eyeliner crayons, like the waxy crayon pencils, but I'm not gonna complain. And here's the pouch IPSY sent this month. Is this the monthly? I don't know. I'm tired. I'm sorry. This is June. This is June. It's like a little beach thing. It's yellow on the inside and it says IPSY right there. I have a lot of these too. I always wonder how often or how long do I do this until I just stop getting my subscription boxes. How long do you get your subscription boxes? I like them. I like to do my videos with them. You got my upper lip right here. Right there. I don't know if you can see it. It hurts. Okay. I'm gonna go. I'm going to wash my face. I'm going to put on some anti-wrinkle booster serum and do my nightly facial routine. All right, you guys, take care. God bless. I'll see you in the next one.